In this video, we'll look at finding values of composite functions from a graph. Let f of x be the given absolute value function. So we're given a graph here. The absolute value function is the one that's shaped like a V. And g of x be the given square root function. So that's the one that starts at 0, 0 and looks like half of a parabola turned on its side. These graphs are shown on the grid below. Use these graphs to find f of g of 4 and g of f of 9. All right, so let me go ahead and do f of g of 4 first. I'm going to scroll down. So we want f of g of 4. Okay, so what we want to do first is we want to figure out what g of 4 is. So x is 4, and my g function is the square root function. So the green one is my g of x. And the absolute value function is my f of x. So I'll go ahead and label those. So then g of 4 is going to be the point here at 4, 2. So this is telling me that g of 4 is equal to 2, because this is the ordered pair 4, 2. Okay, so g of 4 is equal to 2, so this would equal f of 2. So now I go to x equals 2, and I'm trying to find what f equals at 2. So I'm going to go down here onto the absolute value function. Now this is the ordered pair 2, -1, because the y value is -1. And so that ordered pair is telling me that f of 2 equals -1. And so my result here will be a -1. So that is f of g of 4. That's equal to -1. Now the other one I want is g of f of 9. And so that will be g parentheses f of 9. And so I want to find f of 9 first. So I go to where x equals 9. F is my absolute value function, so I go up to the blue function. This is the ordered pair 9, and the y value is 4, so 9, 4. And so this is telling me that f of 9 is equal to 4. So now this becomes g of 4 down here, because the f of 9, that was equal to 4. So now I go to x equals 4 and go to my g function. I know g of 4 is equal to 2. And so that will be my result for g of f of 9. So on a graph, you have to start with the inner function. So for the f of g of 4, first I figured out g of 4. Then I took that y value, I plugged it into my f function as the x value, and figured out the outcome from that. For g of f of 9, I figured out f of 9 first. that was equal to 4. So then 4 became the input for G. And so I went to x equals 4 and figured out the output for G there.